within a blink of an eye. The gadget. Most of the times you've been hearing statements like that. So today we are going to finalize with hand sentences using in or mo in Luganda. Don't forget, in the previous video we saw how to use in and at as prepositions. Twalabye okozesa ku ne mu nga prepositions. So today tugenda kumaliriza ne emboozi enkulu ezikozesebwa nga tugamba mu oba in Luganda. So let's get started. Start with the keys. Ebisumuluzo. So the keys are in the drawer. Are we together? The keys are in the drawer. So this means they are somewhere inside. So you say the keys are in the drawer. And this in Luganda is ebisumuluzo, which are keys. Ebisumuluzo biri mu because of in. Ebisumuluzo biri mu drawer. Once again, the keys are in the drawer. We say ebisumuluzo biri mu drawer. Tulifena. Okay, someone can also say she lives in New York. Or if New York, you can say she lives in any city. Kampala, Austria, she lives in New York. She lives in New York. Mu Luganda tugamba abeera mu New York. Abeera mu New York. For instance, you are in Dubai. Ogenda gamba abeera mu Dubai. Super. Okay. I will. So I, with this, it means I will. It's just a contraction of this. I'll or I will. I'll see you in the morning. Are we together? I will see you in the morning. So in references the time when you are to see him or her. So I will see you in the morning. If not morning, in the afternoon or in the evening. So I will see you in the morning is inja kukulaba ku macha, because of morning is amacha. So inja kukulaba ku macha. Can you repeat that? Inja kukulaba ku macha. Good. Inja kukulaba ku macha. Ajja kulaba ku macha. The book is in my bag. The book is in my bag, implying that the book is inside the bag. So you say the book is in my bag. And this in Luganda is ekitabo kiri. The book is ekitabo kiri mu nsawo yange. Mu nsawo yange, because of my bag. Ensawo yange. Ekitabo kiri mu nsawo yange. Tuli fenna. Yange, it's mine. Ekitabo kiri mu nsawo yange. Okay. He is standing in the line. Someone is standing in the line. You say he is standing in the line. If she was a lady, you say she is standing in the line. If you know the name of the person, for instance, Ben, you say Ben is standing in the line. Are we together? And this, ogamba ayimiridde mu lunyiriri. Line is olunyiriri. So ayimiridde mu lunyiriri. Lunyiriri. Tulifena. Ayimiridde mu lunyiriri. Good. Let's proceed. The dog, my favorite animal. The dog is sleeping in its bed. Once again, the dog, embwa, is sleeping in its bed. Kano kategeeza ki? Nti embwa yeebase mu katanda kaayo. Tulifena, embwa, the dog, is sleeping, yeebase in its bed mu katanda kaayo. Okay. Embwa yeebase mu katanda kaayo. Ndowooza tuli fenna. Its bed, akatanda kaayo. She found, can you complete? She found what? Good. She found a job in the city. So you find a job somewhere. She found a job in the city. If not city, she found a job in the village. In Kampala. Are we together? So this in Luganda, yafunye, she found. Yafunye omulimu, job is omulimu. Once again, yafunye omulimu mu kibuga. City is kibuga. Kibuga. So, kibuga in the city. Mu kibuga. Tuli fenna yafunye omulimu mu in mu kibuga. Good. Okay, let's proceed. We have he is in good health. He is in good health. If not good, you say he is in bad or poor health. He is in good health. This in Luganda, ali mu mbeera. You're describing the situation he is in. Ali mu mbeera nungi. Tuli fenna good. Nungi, ali mu mbeera nungi. Okay, let's proceed. She has experience in sales. She has experience in sales. So atunda nyo aina experience mu kutunda. So she has experience in sales. Ogenda gamba aina obumanyirivu is experience. Once again, experience chiri obumanyirivu. Obumanyirivu. You have experience oina obumanyirivu mu ini. Tulifena aina obumanyirivu mu byokutunda. Sales ebyokutunda. So aina obumanyirivu mu byokutunda. Okategeddako. Good. Okay. Let's go into this sentence. The flowers are in the garden. Once again, the flowers are in the garden. If not flowers, and you have knives placed in the garden, you're going to say the knives are in the garden. The books are in the garden. The boys are in the garden. But in this case, we have the flowers are in the garden. Ebimuli, flowers. In Luganda, ebimuli. So ebimuli, biri mu, because of in. Ebimuli biri mu lusuku. Ebimuli biri mu lusuku. Garden is lusuku. Ebimuli biri mu lusuku. Can you repeat that? Super. That is it. Ebimuli biri mu lusuku. Okay. It will happen. The time zone. It will happen in the evening. It will happen in the night. It will happen in the morning. So in this case we've used evening. It will happen in the evening. Kijja kubaawo mu kawungeezi. Kijja kubaawo. Good. Kijja kubaawo mu kawungeezi. Evening. Akawungeezi kijja kubaawo mu kawungeezi. Tuli fenna? Okay, that is how we use preposition in. Yengeri gye tukozesaamu preposition in oba mu Luganda. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So those interested in the English language, you can use this channel to learn English. Benny 9531. It will help you a lot for English learners only. For English and Luganda, Benny 2178. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wherever.